Hats up, guys! Today, we're taking a close look at Hivebrite, a platform that promises to revolutionize how you manage and engage with your community. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around as we break down everything this tool has to offer, from its slick design to its potential pitfalls. Hivebrite is an all-in-one community engagement platform designed to help organizations build, manage, and grow their communities. It offers a wide range of tools including membership management, event organization, fundraising, and communication features, all wrapped in a sleek, user-friendly interface. One of the standout features is its customization options. You can tailor the platform to match your brand's look and feel, which is great for creating a cohesive experience. The dashboard is intuitive, making it easy to track member activity, manage content, and analyze engagement metrics. Hivebrite also supports integrations with popular tools like Salesforce, MailChimp, and Zoom, which adds a lot of flexibility for users who rely on these services. On the positive side, the platform excels in fostering interaction through discussion forums, private messaging, and group functionalities, making it ideal for alumni networks, professional associations, or even corporate communities. It's not all perfect. Some users might find the pricing a bit steep, especially for smaller organizations. And while the interface is clean, there can be a learning curve for those unfamiliar with similar platforms. Another potential downside is that some advanced features require technical know-how to set up, which could be a hurdle for less tech-savvy teams. Despite these drawbacks, Hivebrite's robust feature set and scalability make it a strong contender in the community engagement space. And that's a wrap on our Hivebrite review. It's a powerful platform with tons of features, but it's not without its flaws. Whether it's the right fit for you depends on your specific needs and budget. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.